So this video, we're going to show you how to use the filters. Now, I'm going to zoom right out. And what you'll see is the app will create clusters. You'll see this button 200 or 1204. If I tap that, it will just keep expanding and putting map markers there. But let's just say I only want to find a particular category. Now what I can do is I can run some filters, and in the top right there is like this white icon. It's a funnel. So I tap on that and it gives me two options: set filters or clear filters. So I'm going to tap on set filters. So let's just say I want to find free camps and campgrounds. And I'm going to go see filtered sites. Now what it does is it will only show me campgrounds and free camps around my area. Now I can just basically just drag and drop and it will show me and auto populate. Now let's say I want to filter even further. Let's say I want free camps and campgrounds with toilets and showers. I click on see filtered. Now it will show me only campgrounds and free camps with a toilet and with a shower. So they must have a toilet and a shower. If you just wanted a free camp and a campground just with toilets, I would take the tick out of showers and go see filtered sites. Now I've got all the campgrounds and free camps with toilets as well. If I want everything to come back to normal, I'll tap, you'll see that the filter in the top right, I'll tap on that and go clear filters. That now brings back all of the icons again.